Ahoy, brave explorers, and welcome aboard the Knowledge Galleon. My name is Captain Christina, and today we're setting sail towards the legendary 8th Sea. Dark magic is rising beneath the waves. A wicked sorcerer seeks an ancient artifact capable of drowning this world in shadows. But in this realm, knowledge is the strongest magic of all, and you, young sailor, may be the hero we need. Oh, right. We are preparing a launch party that's going to take place Saturday, June 20th at 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We expect to see you here at the library's harbor. When you arrive at the library's harbor, which is our beautiful reference desk at the front, head over and sign up for the TD Summer Reading Club. This summer, you're going to become a pirate explorer. Your mission, 1. Navigate the legendary locations. 2. Find a magical artifact. 3. Determine where the evil ritual will take place. 4. Stop a mysterious and dangerous sorcerer. And 5. Solve riddles given by the inhabitants of the 8th Sea. Each location you explore reveals a clue about the identity of the sorcerer, the magical artifact he seeks, and the site of his dangerous ritual. Your captain's log will help you track these discoveries. Each riddle solved will bring more light into this world. Each book you read weakens the sorcerer's magic. What are the prizes, you might ask? Tickets to Oceania, an indoor water park, tickets to the Biodome, craft bags, t-shirts, gift cards, and much, much more. So this summer, we hope to see you all at the library.